welcome to your math video. I am your math teacher Jevita. In today's video, we will be learning a new chapter called circles. Circles, you all are familiar with the shape circle, but in circle you have so many important things you should know. So today we will be learning in detail about the circle. So how is the circle formed? First of all, circle, you know, it is a curved line. That line is formed with the dots, that is points. When points come closer to each other, they form a line. Okay. When it is formed, the circle is, there is a center point here. Okay. A point in the center, and all these points are equal distance from each other. From here to here, the distance is also same. From here to here, the distance is also same. From here to here, the distance is also same. Anywhere in the circle, the distance from the center point to any point on the circle should be same. Okay, that is very important. Only then you get a circle. And then this curved line which makes up a circle is called circumference. Circumference. So now I am teaching the parts of a circle. The first thing is the circumference. The line which makes a circle, right? This outline, this is called the circumference. And circumference is always equal to 3 times the diameter. I teach you what is diameter now. The line which passes from one point to other point. Example, let me take this point and this point, which joins these 2 points, okay, by passing through the center point. The line which passes through the center and touches the other edge point, this line is called diameter. What is this line called? Diameter. And it is represented as D. And circumference we write it as C. This diameter, if you draw this line 3 times, will be equal to the circumference here. Okay, that is the meaning I have written it. So if I want to know what is the circumference of the circle, I know what is the diameter, I can easily find it. That is, my diameter is 10 centimeter. Example, if my diameter is 10 centimeter, what will be the circumference now? It is 3 times diameter, that is 3 into 10, which is equal to 30 centimeters. So this outer line is 30 centimeters in this example. So now you understood what is circumference and the diameter. The next one is radius. So radius is just like diameter, it should touch one point and touch the center here. It should not touch the other point on the other side. Just touch the center and one point in the circle. This line is called radius. So just see here, if I rub this diameter half of it, it becomes a radius. Right? It is set in the center at one point on the circle. So this becomes a radius. When I make the diameter into half, you get the radius. So radius is always use the formula half of the diameter. That is d by 2. D by 2. Radius is nothing but half of the diameter. So I can say diameter in radius also. See, now this is the radius. If I draw this line, extend the line here and one more half, it becomes diameter. So diameter can be written as 2 times radius. Okay, one time and draw one more time the opposite side, you get the diameter. So only diameter is written equal to 2 times radius. Similarly, when you cut the diameter into half, you get the radius. So these are the important formulas that you have to keep in your mind. So I repeat once again, the outermost line border is called the circumference of the circle, and circumference is equal to 3 times the diameter. And the diameter is nothing but the line which touches the 2 points on the circle and passes to the center of the circle. Then it is called the diameter. Radius. Radius is a line which joins one point on the circle and one point that is the center. This is the radius. And next you have to learn about few more things called semicircle. So you all know what is semicircle, that is half circle is called semicircle, right? So when you draw the diameter cuts the circle into two equal halves, right? So this is the one semicircle, this is one semicircle. This whole thing is one semicircle and this whole thing is one semicircle. So semicircle is nothing but the half of a circle. And next you have to learn about chord. Chord is also line, okay? Chord is also line drawn on the circle. It catches the 2 points in a circle, but it doesn't pass through the center, okay? It will not pass through the center, but it gets 2 points on the circle. It is called a chord. And in the circle, which is the biggest chord, is nothing but the diameter. This also is a chord, right? Because it is joining 2 points on the circle and it passes to the center, so it is called diameter. But still, even this is a chord, and this chord is the biggest chord in the circle. Okay? So you learned all the important terms. Now you should know some few things, facts about circle. That is, how many diameters can I draw in a circle? Say I drew one diameter. I'll draw one more, I'll draw one more, I will draw one more. Like this I can keep on drawing the diameter. So, in one circle you can draw so many diameters. So, it is called infinite. So, many, we say it as infinite. So, the diameters drawn in a circle are infinite. Same like that, even the radius drawn in a circle are infinite because you can draw so many radius in this, right? So, even radius are infinite. This is very important, which you will be using in your future classes also, children. So, next. In the next one, now we will be learning how will you draw the circle. For drawing circle, you need two things mainly, that is the compass and your scale. Compass is nothing but an instrument used to draw the circle. In this, you will have a needle on one side and the pencil fixed in one side. You will use this to draw the circle. To draw the circle, you should know one thing, that is diameter. Or if radius is given, you can find the diameter. Or if diameter is given, you can find the radius. So, mainly to draw the circle, you will take the radius here. Okay, they will give you example. I will say you to draw circle with radius 5 centimeter. If I ask you like this, you should take your compass and you also have a scale with you. And you can see the numbers here. You can see the numbers from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, this is centimeters. You should keep the one point at 0, and the other point to 5. Okay. So, one point it at 0, one I am placing it at 5. So, I have taken the 5 centimeters now. After taking this 5 centimeters, now you should draw the circle on the book. How will you draw it? If this is your book and this is the 5 centimeter which you have taken the measurement in your scale, now keep the needle in one place. Okay, keep the needle one place and check how I am holding the compass here. I am not holding like this, I am not holding anywhere. I have to hold the tip here with my fingers like this. and then keep the midpoint here and draw the circle. You just rotate this compass in all the direction. You will get a circle. So this circle is the 5 centimeter circle. So how will you represent this is? So this will be the center of the circle. And I said this is radius 5 centimeter. So you can draw a line from the center to any point on the circle like this. And this line is equal to 5 centimeters. So I will name the line as O and A. Okay. So this is the line of 5 centimeter. This is called radius. Okay. So this is how you draw the circle. For drawing circle, sometimes you get diameter. If I say draw the circle with diameter 6 centimeter. So how will you draw it? Will you take the 6 centimeter in this? No, wrong. You should always find the radius and then measure the compass. For that, you know half of this diameter is the radius. So what is half of this 6? When you divide 6 by 2, you get half of the diameter is nothing but dividing the diameter with 2. So half of this is 3. So this will be my radius. I should measure 3 centimeter and draw the circle. Okay children, now let's go for the textbook exercise and work out the textbook exercises now. Children, all of you open your textbook, page number 110, exercise 4.1. I'll be writing the answers on the board. Please copy them in your textbooks. Exercise 4.1. First name, say true or false. A circle is a plain closed figure bounded by line segment. Line segment is a straight line. Circle has a straight line? No, it has a curved line. So the first answer is false. A diameter touches 2 points in the circle passing through the center of the circle. Yes, true. Third one. A chord has no end point on the circumference of the circle. The chord has no end points? No, it's false because the chord will touch one end and the other end. So it has the end points in the circle. So chord has the end points. So third one is false. Fourth one. Radius of same circle are equal. Yes, if you draw two equal circles, same circle, then the radius also will be same. So the fourth one is true. Fifth one. The diameter of the circle is twice its radius. That is, diameter is 2 times the radius. Yes, no children, if one diameter is drawn, in that you have 2 radius here. That is what is written. So, the fifth one is true. Sixth one. An arc is a part of a circle. Yes, arc is called nothing but, if you have a circle, okay, this part, any part of the circle is called as arc. So, arc is called a part of a circle. Diameter is 2 times the radius. Yes, it is true. So, I say the answers once again. First one is false, second one true, third one false, fourth one is true, fifth one is true, sixth one is also true. Now, let's go for the next maze. Find the diameter of each of the circle whose radius is given below. So, you can take a rough book, work out your answers and write the answers here. I will show you how to find them. Secondly, they have given the diameter, you should find the radius. Okay, you should find the radius. Diameter is given. So, how will you find it? No, it's actually find the diameter when radius is given. So, children, you have to find the diameter here and radius is given. So, diameter you know it is equal to 2 times r. Okay. So, when they are given the radius, first one 3 centimeter, with 2 and get the diameter. So 2 3s are 6. The 6 centimeter is nothing but the diameter. Okay. So this was just an example how to work it out. Now I will show you the steps what you should follow in the test. So second main, first one, question is given as r is equal to 3 centimeter. This is the question. So now you should first write the formula, that is diameter is equal to 2 times radius. This is the formula. You write this and then write 2 into what is the radius? 3. So write 3. Now what is multiplication answer? 3 2s are 6. 6 and you have centimeters here, so you should write centimeters also. So diameter is equal to 6 centimeters. These are the steps you should follow to find the answer. For present, in the textbook you can write only the answer, but in the classroom you should follow all the steps. I will be sending it in the Google Notes. Now B1, let's try one more sum where I have 5 centimeter. R is equal to 5 centimeter. So first step, B is equal to 2 times R. Formula. Now write 2 into R. That is 5. So 2 5 is 10. Now my answer is diameter is equal to 10 centimeters. 10 centimeters. Now I will be showing you the one more sum which is a little difficult. So let me take I1. Where R is given as 24 centimeters. So follow the steps. D is equal to 2R formula. Then write 2 into 24. So what is 2 into 24? 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4. So my answer is 48 centimeters. Diameter is equal to 48 centimeters. So you understood how to find the diameter and radius is given. I want you to try the rest of the sums. Now let us go for the third main. In third main, you have the radius. Find the radius of each of the circle whose diameter is given below. So you have to find the radius in this. So what is the formula of radius? We have to find the radius. You know, radius is half of the diameter. So this is the formula you are going to use to find the radius. So let's start. First one. 4 centimeter. What is this 4 centimeter? It is the diameter given. Diameter is equal to 4 centimeter. Now first write the formula. R is equal to D by 2. That is nothing but 4 by 2. So simplify this. 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4. So the answer is 2 centimeters. Okay. I'll show you again. D is 4 and divided by 2. So when I divide 4 by 2, if you don't know to simplify in this manner, you can write the division form, write 4 inside, write 2 and divide it to get the answer equal to 2. Okay? So the answer is 2 centimeters. Write the answer here. R is equal to 2 centimeters. Now let's go for the next one. B1. You have 6 centimeters. 6 centimeters. That is diameter is equal to 6 centimeters. So write the formula. R is equal to D divided by 2, which is equal to 6 by 2. When you divide 6 by 2, the answer you get is 3. 3 centimeter. So my answer is R is equal to 3 centimeter. So let's try one more sum with a bigger number. So I'm going to take the I sum here. Question I, where D is equal to 36. Follow the formula first. R is equal to D by 2, which is equal to 36 by 2. When you divide 36 by 2, the answer you get is 18 centimeters. So the answer here is R is equal to 18 centimeters. So this is how you find the radius. I want you to try the rest sums. Now let's go for the next main. Fourth main, fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. I'll be writing the answers here. Please copy down in your textbooks. First one. Fixed point of a circle is called center of a circle. Center of a circle. Second one, distance from the center of the circle to any point on the circle is called radius. Radius. Third one, half of the diameter is equal to radius again. Radius. Fourth one, the longest chord of the circle is diameter. Diameter. Fifth one, the boundary of a circle is called circumference. Circumference. Sixth one, the line segment having two endpoints of the circumference of the circle is called chord, which joins the two ends of a circle is called chord. If they have mentioned it touches two ends and passes through the center, then it is the diameter. Now seventh one, a chord divides the circle into two parts. Two parts. So this is the answer for the fill-ups. Now let's go for the fifth main. Identify center, radius and diameter of the circle. So they have given you here, children. This is the circle and they have given the names for the lines here and they have written the names here. What is OD? O and D. It is joining one point of the circle and the center. So this will be radius. So you should write radius. Okay. So I'll be writing the answers on the board. Please copy it. Fifth one, A, the fifth one, A1, OD, AB, O. So OD is the radius, AB is the diameter, and O is the center. So I will do the next one also, B here. The question is, they have given the center, you should name them here. Center, radius and diameter. So you should name them in the figure here. See children, here in this figure, the center is O. The diameter is M and N. Okay. And the radius, you can see there is no radius like this. But you know that in diameter you have two radius, that is OM and ON. So we will write that as the radius. The center is O, radius is OM and ON, and diameter is MN. MN. There is one more figure for you to identify, children. By this we have completed the exercise. And if you have any doubts, you can ask me in the interactive session. Meet you in the next video, children. Thank you. Bye-bye.